Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you are signed in with an administrator account and that user account control is active. This lets you change security services. Once done, back up the Defender registry key and create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. If you suspect active malware, disconnect from the internet to prevent remote interference. Now open Settings or the Control panel. This is where we'll re-enable services and run repair commands in the next steps. Now execute targeted repairs. Open PowerShell as administrator and run Restore MP signature, then ensure the WinDefend service is running with Start Service WinDefend. Next, run sfc/scano to repair system files and follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. These two commands often repair corrupted Defender binaries. Make sure the Windows Defender service startup type is automatic or automatic delayed start in services. MSC so it restarts reliably after finish by re-enabling real-time protection in Settings Windows Security and updating virus definitions. Then run a full system scan to verify integrity. If controls remain blocked, check Group Policy. Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Windows Components Microsoft Defender Antivirus, and set any disable policies to not configured. If needed, restore specific registry keys you backed up earlier and reboot. One troubleshooting tip. If scans fail, boot to safe mode with networking and repeat DISM and SFC, then scan again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.